In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create phone mockup in Figma. We'll walk through two straightforward ways to place a polished iPhone mockup into your design. First, we'll use the assets panel that's already built into your file, and then I'll show you a quick alternative using a plugin, so you can pick whichever suits your workflow best. Start by opening your project in Figma. Make sure you're in the correct file and on the page where you want the mockup to appear. If you're collaborating, it's a good idea to lock or hide layers you don't want to accidentally move while you work. Next, open the Assets panel in the left sidebar. If you don't see it, look for the tab that toggles between layers and assets, and switch to Assets. This is where components and libraries appear, and it often includes ready-made device frames you can use as mockups. Inside Assets, look for the category labeled iOS 26. Expand it to reveal its contents. Don't worry if the naming looks a little different in your setup. You're looking for the iOS device resources bundled with your file or library. Within iOS 26, open Product Bezels. These are the realistic device frames that make your screens look production ready. They typically include the correct screen curves, bezels, and camera notches. Now choose the iPhone mockup you want, click to insert it onto your canvas, or drag it into position where you need it. If your design is already in a frame, you can place that frame above the mockup and use masking or auto layout to align it cleanly. Keep an eye on the layer order so your UI sits inside or on top of the screen area, rather than behind the device. For the second method, look to the bottom interface in Figma and open the Actions menu. From there, select Plugins and Widgets. This is where you can access tools that add extra functionality without leaving your file. In the search field, type Artboard Mockups. When you see the result, click Artboard Mockups to open its listing, review the details if you'd like, and then click again to run it. The plugin will launch in a panel on the right or as a floating window depending on your setup. Inside Artboard Mockups, browse the available options and click the iPhone mockup you prefer. The plugin will place a device frame and prompt you to map your selected frame to the screen area, giving you a clean presentation-ready result. That's it. Two easy paths to a professional phone mockup in Figma. Congratulations and happy designing.